They say that imitation is the greatest form of flattery. So today I imitate, but also attempt to innovate, and maybe think about transformation and change, and think about what it means to change, to become something else, and to eat a really great sandwich. I give you egg in a hole croque madame. To start, you'll need some bread, some ham, some Gruyere cheese grated, an egg, some butter and flour for your bechamel, of course with some milk and some nutmeg. Now, you'll whisk together equal parts butter and flour. Whisk on medium heat until the raw edge is taken off the flour. Then, very slowly, incorporate milk until the sauce has thickened to your liking. This might take a little time, but should happen relatively quickly. Then season with salt, pepper, and grated nutmeg, and set aside for use later. Preheat a cast iron pan on medium heat. Then place your pre-buttered, pre-holed slice of bread in your pre-heated cast iron pan. Next, very carefully place your egg in the hole. What we're trying to achieve here is a golden brown crust. So add a little butter and maybe a little more a little later. And remember, you don't want to cook the egg too much here. We are going to put it under a broiler after the bechamel goes on top. So you kind of want to cook this a little rare. Oh, and don't forget the hole. And now it's time to flip. So I'm going to add a little more butter and then very, very awkwardly try and flip this slice of bread. Even after all that fumbling, it didn't turn out half bad. Remember not to cook the egg all the way, meaning if you want it runny, cook it a little less than runny, because we'll be putting the whole thing under a broiler that's set on high for a couple of minutes, which should cook your egg to your liking. Next, we'll place our second slice of bread that's been pre-buttered in a cast iron skillet that's been heated on medium-low for a few minutes. Add our ham and our Gruyere, and be generous. Treat yourself. Next, we'll take our slice with the egg in it and place it gently on top, and toast the bottom slice a couple more minutes. Then, we'll pour our bechamel over, a little bit at a time. Now, take the sandwich, still in the skillet, and set it under a broiler, on high, for about 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have it, the egg in a hole croque madame.